Hi, glad to have you here for an overview of Akoonu's Quota Manager, part of our RevWorks platform. To get to the Quota Manager, go to your app launcher, switch to the Akoonu app, and click on the Quota Manager tab. So to access the Quota Manager, you need some permissions. You need the standard Salesforce permissions to view all forecasts and to manage quotas. Additionally, you need the Akoonu permission set, Akoonu Sales Admin. That's what gets you access to the Quota Manager to import, update, and generally manage the quotas. To get started with, let me give you a quick orientation of the app layout. In the header area, on the left-hand side, is a fiscal year drop-down menu. This allows you to select different fiscal years. It always defaults to the current, but you can look at the past or the future years as well. Below that are tabs, and these tabs are your forecasting types. So the Quota Manager sits on top of your native Salesforce pipeline forecast setup with one tab per forecasting type. So I have 4 in this org, the first of which is called Opportunity Revenue. Over on the right-hand side is a search box and several different buttons for doing things inside the Quota Manager. There'll be other videos for drilling down into that functionality. Down below, on the left-hand side, is the team drill down. This forecasting type was set up with a user role-based hierarchy. This would work exactly the same way if you were set up with the territory-based hierarchy. You can drill down through the team, through all the layers, without ever switching to a different screen or refreshing the page and losing context of what you're looking at. And then the central part of the view is your quoted data. It's showing the full year all at one time. There's several different display options that you can change that adjust how this data is displayed. For instance, there are the quarters and years showing, and these are automatically calculated. So I can remove the quarters, and now I'm just seeing the months and the annual total. There's also the ability to view things as short numbers, as I am now, where the numbers are abbreviated, or as the full number, which shows everything down to the dollars and cents. You can see that some of my numbers are getting truncated now, so I can go back to my display options and go to full width, and now I can see the full numbers for each of the different fiscal periods. I might need to scroll, but I get to see the complete numbers. So that should give you a quick orientation of the Quota Manager, and there's other videos that will drill down into all the functionality for importing and updating and auto-calculating and all the other features of Akoonu's Quota Manager. Thanks for joining me.